Hey YouTubers, and welcome back to Tony the Technician's channel, and today we're going to be going into another week of Amazon tool deals, and I really hope you guys enjoy. My Amazon tool deals will either feature tools on sale, tools that even if they're at their full price I believe to be great deals, or they're items that I think are interesting and would like your guys' opinion on if you guys have used them before. So first up is the Gearwrench 10-piece 3/8 drive 6-point universal impact socket set, part number 84924 November. It has 5 stars at over 2,300 ratings. It's originally almost $82. It's on sale for almost $62, so a savings of roughly $20. So pretty good there. Now keep in mind that a lot of the things on Amazon for Gearwrench are their original price. A lot of the items are super high, like the list price for a lot of items are like $200 and it's on sale for $110. Well, if you really look anywhere, it's basically $110, and I don't think I've ever seen a lot of Gearwrench stuff listed at their or sold at their actual list price, so just keep that in mind. But for $62 for this set, it's actually, to me, seems like a fantastic deal because universal sockets can get very expensive. The other thing that's nice about these are deep well sockets and universal. So if you need all of them, it can get very expensive. But like if you figure out if you need shallow ones or deep well, if you're in need of a deep well set, this is a good set to go with, especially for $62. You can spend hundreds and hundreds of dollars on these types of sockets. So this is going to range from 10 to 19 millimeter. This is the metric set. They do have SAE as well. High visibility markings, chromoly steel, black oxide finish, and then that offloading cornering that prevents rounding that you basically find in any sockets today. But universal sockets can be very handy to have if you're not looking at spending a lot of money. You don't think you use that all that often. Sticking with the universal adapter and just using a socket with that is probably the better way to go if you're looking at saving money. If you're looking at saving time and you use or find yourself in a situation where you would use these quite often, I do believe that this is a good deal for that price. Next up is another Gearwrench product of the same design, their universal impact sockets. This is a shallow socket set, and this is a 15-piece set where the last set was a 10-piece set. This is going to range from 8 millimeter up to 22, and neither of the sets skip a size, so that is nice. This one has 4.5 stars at 1,766 ratings. This part number is 84918 November. I will have these products linked down in the description for you guys underneath the tools and tools continued link if you guys are interested. Plus, there are a lot of other tools there that I suggest, so if you're interested, it's there for you. So this one's originally $99, on sale for $77, a savings of $21, so it's a pretty good deal. Even under $100 for a set like this is fantastic. They do have very cheap sets on Amazon, but when it comes to universal sockets like this, impact sockets, I don't normally trust to go the extremely cheap route. I also don't think with the amount that I use them, I would have to spend the sets that cost hundreds upon hundreds of dollars. So I think this is a good mid-range price for a good quality tool. So like I stated, first set was a deep well set. This is a shallow set. This is a little bit larger set than the other one. They have a half-inch drive set as well, 15-piece set on sale from 108 down to 85. And that set is going to include 10 to 24 without skipping a size. So some pretty good sets right there for universal impact sockets. Next up, another Gearwrench product. So here we have the half-inch drive electronic torque wrench, and it is part number 85077, originally $171, on sale for $129, a savings of $42. I think I normally see this torque wrench around the $150 price range. I don't think I've ever actually seen it sold around $170. But either way, $128 is a good price for this size of torque wrench and it being electronic, so that is a nice touch as well. Multi-notification, the handle vibrates, buzzes, and the screen alerts you. It has a precision of plus or minus 2%, non-quick release, and they do have other versions available as well, 3/8, and then you can get both drive sizes, 3/8 and half-inch drive, in a flex head as well. This is going to be a 72 tooth ratchet or torque wrench. And here you can see the different ones available, the two 3/8 drive ones and the two 1/2 inch drive ones. The 3/8 ranging from 10 to 100 foot-pounds, and the 1/2 inch from 25 foot-pounds to 250 foot-pounds, or if you do Newton meters, they have that there as well. So I think if you're looking for a good electronic torque wrench, this is definitely a good option. A few years ago, electronic torque wrenches were extremely expensive due to their popularity and all of their features, and now they're finally starting to kind of trickle down. A lot of those cheaper companies are starting to push some of them cheaper ones out, so some of the better quality ones are kind of getting better pricing as well. So I think for $129, basically, this is a good deal. It's got 4.5 stars at 1,255 ratings. And then this is one that I just saw. I have never used the AC Delco hand tool that I can think of. Part number ARM601-34. It's a 3/8 drive and a 1/2 inch drive. Digital torque wrenches. So here you can see the display. And they are quick release. And I believe these are a lower tooth count. I don't know why this says item torque 37 foot-pounds, but it has 4.5 stars at 12 ratings, so not a whole lot of ratings on it. I personally haven't used it, and I would kind of like your guys' input if you guys have used these AC Delco, either one. 3/8 is 3.7 to 37 foot-pounds, and then the 1/2 inch drive is 14.8 to 147.5 foot-pounds. So a pretty good variety there, and I think $170 for two torque wrenches, both 3/8 and 1/2 inch drive. I think that's a good deal, but then again, I haven't personally used AC Delco hand tools like this, so this is one of those items that I would like your guys' input in down in the comments if you guys have used them. Let me know your guys' thoughts. Also, there is a coupon right now to save an extra 15% when you apply it. And then here we have a Titan roto head or swivel head ratchet. So I just recently recorded a video on a couple different brand swivel head ratchets, and I included some other brands available today that don't have comfort grips, because a few years ago all you could find were roto heads with comfort grips, and some people were asking me about roto heads without. I'll have a video out here soon on a specific set, and then I include some other brands as well of both comfort grip style and non-comfort grip, but this is one of them that I thought was kind of interesting. This is an aluminum one from Titan. Their 1/4 inch drive, you can get it in red, black, blue, green, orange, wide variety. It's anodized. And 1/4 inch, I primarily use these for interior work, it being 1/4 inch drive. It's fantastic if you can find a roto head with low back drag, because my Gearwrench ones, I love using a swivel head 1/4 inch on interior work. I can't do that with mine because I have a Gearwrench one and it has horrible back drag on it. I can't even use it enough to break it in to see if breaking it in would actually make it better, because I can't even use it. It's so bad. The 3/8 one isn't as bad. I can actually use it, but this one was kind of interesting to me. But also stay tuned for that future video that I'll be releasing, and you guys can see the other brands that I mentioned in there. So 1/4 inch drive, it's reversible. This is the micro design, so this is going to be a very small 1/4 inch, and it is a 90 tooth. So I have now used two brands with 90 tooth over my Gearwrench with 72 tooth, and I really think the 90 tooth design in these roto head ratchets are really helping, not just with the arc swing, but with the back drag in this design of ratchet as well. So let me know your guys' thoughts and what roto head ratchets or swivel head ratchets you've used and what your luck with them are. So once again, this is Titan 11320. It has 4.5 stars at 597 ratings for $20, so I figured it was at least worth mentioning. And then last up, this is another item not on sale, but I think it is a good item, and I am actually considering purchasing it. So I like the design here. It does seem a little bit bulky from the bottom handle to the top handle, but it's still, I like the features that it has. I like that it's made in the USA. It's $24. Here they have some nice features here. The handles look comfortable. It's not your standard just rubber grips on there. You have a little bit of ergonomics to it. You have a push button here with the American flag on it, which I thought was kind of a cool feature. You have cross hatching in the jaws, which is nice. You have this portion up here for reaming. So Channellock, made in the USA. Reaming feature, cross hatched, heat treated. So here you can just pause it if you would like to read kind of more of the information on it. This set specifically has a 2-inch jaw capacity. I'm not sure why it shows 2 inches, but here you can see that the pliers are not open all the way, so it's a little confusing. So this is the 430X series. They do have multiple different sizes. I do like the cross hatching in them. I think this is a good design set of pliers, and I'm definitely willing to try them out. So this has 4.5 stars at 57 ratings. So here's a 2-piece set for $48, and you get the 8-inch and the 10-inch pair. So I think that's a fairly good deal. So let me know your guys' thoughts. If you guys have used these Channellock GS pliers, I'd be happy to hear what you guys have to say about them before I go ahead and make this purchase. But other than that, that's it as far as this week's Amazon tool deals. A couple of the items on sale, a couple of them not, and a couple items that I would like your guys' input on. So a little bit of a variety in this week's video, but I still hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys have any tool brand suggestions or tool suggestions that you guys would like me to keep my eyes out for, please drop it down in the comments. Once again, any of these items that you guys are interested in will be linked down below for you guys. So if you guys enjoyed, hit that thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and as always, subscribe if you're not a subscriber. See you guys next time.